Tasting the phrases, taste test, explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of a very flavorful English phrase, taste test. Whether you're a foodie or just keen to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this term can be quite delightful. So, let's jump right in and savor every bit of this expression. When we say, taste test, we're talking about trying a small amount of food or drink to assess its flavor, texture, and overall quality. It's not just a casual nibble, though. A taste test is often conducted in a more organized and purposeful manner. Companies might use it to get feedback on new products. Or you might see it in cooking shows where judges taste and score the contestants' dishes. The main goal is to evaluate the sensory aspects of the food or drink. Let's take a closer look at the words taste and test. Taste is both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to perceive or experience the flavor of something by taking it into the mouth. As a noun, it refers to the sensation of flavor perceived in the mouth and throat. On the other side, test is a method of assessing abilities, quality, or performance. When combined, these words form a phrase that means examining the taste of a food or drink. The phrase, taste test, can be used in various contexts. For instance, if you're at a supermarket, you might see a free taste test of a new juice. Or in a professional kitchen, a chef might conduct a taste test to ensure the dish has the right seasoning. When using the phrase, you could say, "Our bakery is doing a taste test of our new cupcake flavors this weekend." Taste tests aren't just about trying new foods. They also have a cultural significance. They reflect a society's dedication to culinary excellence and the importance of consumer feedback in the food industry. Food tasting events can be social and festive occasions, celebrating the shared experience of eating and enjoyment. I hope you've enjoyed this little flavor trip into the world of taste tests. Remember, this phrase is all about experiencing and evaluating flavors, so don't hesitate to use it next time you're exploring the world of food and drinks. Happy tasting, and see you in the next video.